If your goals feel fuzzy and your days feel messy, you probably think you need more motivation, more time, or more willpower. But here's the truth. Clarity doesn't come from trying harder. Clarity comes from structure. Today, I'm going to share the 3 productivity systems that give you true clarity and create a simple, clear path to action. By the end, you'll understand exactly why you've been feeling stuck and how these simple systems can unlock the focus and freedom you've been craving. The first system you need is mindset work. Without a strong mindset, structure feels like pressure instead of support. Mindset work helps you anchor your inner compass so you always know why you're taking action. This can look like journaling in the morning, affirmations that reframe your limiting beliefs, or even pausing to ask, what's my intention for today? Clarity of vision comes from choosing your perspective. When your mindset is aligned, you stop getting lost in comparison or chaos, and you start leading your goals with purpose. If you're not sure where to begin with starting your mindset work journey, I'll leave you a few of my favorite resources down in the description box to help you get started. The second system is goal setting. Most goals fail not because we don't care enough, but because they never had a clear structure. When you don't have a system, everything feels equally urgent, and you end up spinning your wheels. The key is to define a few clear, realistic goals that align with your priorities and break them down into simple steps. This is how you turn a big, overwhelming dream into something you can actually achieve. And here's the exciting part. In my free Q4 Crescendo workshop, I'll walk you step by step through the exact system I use to create structured goals for the final quarter of the year. You'll leave with a clear map of what to focus on through October, November, and December. The third system is time management. This is where clarity hits the ground. A clear schedule eliminates decision fatigue. You don't need to wonder when you'll find the time. You've already created it. Tools like time blocking, themed days, and daily routines ensure your goals actually fit into your life. This is what transforms a to-do list into a to-done list. When you use your planner as a guide, every task has a home, every week has a focus, and every day starts with intention. These 3 productivity systems, mindset work, goal setting, and time management, are the foundation of clarity. When they work together, overwhelm disappears and your path forward becomes simple and clear. If you're ready to finish the year strong, I'd love for you to join me in the Q4 Crescendo workshop on Saturday, September 13th at 12 p.m. Eastern Time. It's a free live training where I'll guide you through setting your Q4 goals, mapping your plan, and creating a structured system that will carry you into the new year with confidence. Don't wait for clarity to magically appear. Create it. Click the link below to save your spot, and I'll see you there. Thank you so much for joining me for today's video. I hope you found it inspiring and motivational. I would love to hear now, which of these 3 systems do you feel like are lacking in your routine? So let me know which one of the 3 you want to implement ASAP. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with anyone you think would find it helpful. For more of the behind the scenes of my productivity, life, and business, make sure you're following me at MissTrenchcoat on Instagram. And if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button for more awesome videos by me. And until next time, bye-bye.